Camera with the Fairfax County Police. What's going on?
I was trying to turn, but I couldn't see the light. I didn't.
You're gonna get a reckless driving ticket.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of All Things Driving. If you're new to the show, it's your host, Rashid White. All right, let's get into it. You guys see the graphics. You see the actual title of tonight's show. This is why everybody hates the police. And I'm not saying every single person out there. And this is not an anti-cop channel, all right? This is not an anti-police channel, but this is an anti-bad police channel, all right? So that's what I actually want to put as the disclaimer out there. All right, this comes out of Fairfax County in Virginia, pretty much. And a woman, I think she accidentally made a wrong turn, and I think they wrote her up as a reckless driving, which I think is really insane because, you know, one, the woman seems like she's kind of older. Oh, let's actually get into the video. Let's let you guys actually see it for yourselves, and then I will come back and give some analysis on this.
Camera with the Fairfax County Police. What's going on?
I was trying to turn, but I couldn't see the light.
Yes, yeah, you know, this actually comes from Fairfax County Police Department itself, and they're playing the Vanessa Carlton song, 1,000 Miles. I love that song. But let's see how YouTube actually reacts to it. Hopefully they don't say anything about the music or anything like that.
You know, I was trying to turn into like the other lane to go into CPS because I was in like the turning lane. I thought I was turning into like the lane going down this way. But when I turned, then that's when I realized I turned into the wrong lane because of the snow.
You didn't turn into the wrong lane. You turned into the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, I know. I didn't.
You're gonna get a reckless driving ticket. So you're gonna have to show up to court. There you go. You're not going to jail.
Okay. I was really worried about that.
No,
I was like, oh my god.
you're not going to jail.
I've never been to jail, and I was like, I didn't even wash my hair yet.
All right, so a reckless driving ticket. I mean, really, reckless driving. You know, I looked up the laws pertaining to this. You would write someone a reckless driving ticket if, like, say if there was another vehicle right in this vicinity right here. She makes a turn over here, and she corrects it right away. And the officer really should take account of that. This seems like an older woman here, like a senior citizen. She has to be about 60-something years old. Now, reckless driving could like carry a felony or a misdemeanor, and it's jail time. So you really going to wreck this woman's life. And being that she's an actual senior citizen, they're on fixed incomes, for her to actually get a ticket over a mistake. I mean, sometimes a lot of you officers, man, I see some stuff on video. A lot of you guys are just as stupid as some of the criminals that we actually have out here, man. I'm sorry to actually say it over here, man. But let's look it up over here when it comes to reckless driving, the actual Fairfax County code over here when it actually comes to that. So it says over here, reckless driving in Fairfax County, Virginia is a class 1 misdemeanor. A criminal offense is not just a traffic ticket. It's punishable by up to 12 months in jail, a $2,500 fine, and a 6-month license suspended. Common causes include speeds over 80 miles an hour or 20 miles over the limit. But I've seen in, like, let's say on Facebook, they have this other deputy sheriff. They have discretion where they can actually write this up as a regular traffic infraction. Let's say if you're going 20 over and that's like considered criminal driving, or they can actually put it as a criminal ticket. Let's say like a reckless driving criminal citation over here, man. And let's get to the actual, okay. So over here it says definition under Virginia Code 46.2-852 is defined as driving in a manner that endangers life, limb, or property. So I don't see that over here, man. I don't see no property being damaged. I don't see any pedestrians, nor I don't see any other type of vehicles, nor, like, let's say if there was a car that was like coming down this strip, they're not doing 60, 70, 80 miles an hour where like a serious accident can actually really happen over here, man. So you know, like passing a school bus, emergency vehicle, and proper passing on a hill or curve. Like even like passing a school bus, most cops aren't going to write that up as a reckless driving ticket. Only let's say let's say if you run there's a kid in the vicinity. So like police officers do have discretion when it comes to this. And yeah, guys want to know why a lot of the general public really do hate you, because people actually see this stuff over here, and now they want to look at like cops in a negative tone over here, man. So let's say the penalties: criminal record, Class A misdemeanor conviction, up to 12 months, $2,500 fine, up to 6 months suspension, 6 demerit points on your DMV record, which means that your insurance will actually go up. And again, this is probably a senior citizen. Most of these people are in fixed incomes. This cop is a piece of trash, man. So now they have defensive driving courses where they probably can get a lot of the points, probably up to 4 points off the record. But still, man, I think the judge would actually really dismiss this over here as a reckless driving. This is really crazy. And let's say, for instance, if the judge does not actually dismiss this, I mean, she's looking up to 12 months in prison, man. I mean, seriously, man. Some of these, yeah, officers, yeah. Yeah, listen. And over here, it says, in Fairfax County, Virginia, wrong way driving is strictly enforced as a form of reckless driving. So I guess no matter what, even if it's like not even any type of property or like any type of life at stake, they need to write this up as a reckless. But you know, you saw the woman, she tried to really kind of correct the mistake right there, and it's not like she kept driving and driving. This happens a lot, man, and it's really such a rarity. And if you look at the comment section on the video here, it talks about like the snow kind of caused like an obstruction somewhat, so the officer got to really take account for that. But you know, like most of these officers are like with the traffic unit, and it's their primary job is to write tickets. That's what they out there for. You know, they're not out there just doing regular patrol, but they're out there just doing straight traffic enforcement. And yeah, I just think hopefully the judge over here, he looks at this case. So this snow over here, when you look at the comment section on this video, let me see, they actually say that, and a lot of people actually disagree that this is it shouldn't be given up as a reckless driving ticket over here, man. And I guess that's true. The car behind her was actually looking like he was gonna make the same mistake over here, man. So you know, maybe the officer was having a bad day, and you know, maybe he pulled someone over that was giving him a hard way to go. And yeah, this over here, Daniel Fellows over here says reckless for that. Nah, that's what I'm saying. It's crazy over here, man. It says, why is there a double white line separating the lanes? Why would that? Well, I'm sorry. Would be surprised if reckless driving doesn't get reduced, especially if she doesn't have any priors. Yeah, and she doesn't seem like she's never been in trouble with the law. I mean, this is not the type of person you would write a reckless driving ticket on. You would just give her a warning. So, I will wrap this video up. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Certainly share the video. And when you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.